Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be sharing this day away backpack from 31. Alright, so I have had this backpack now for a couple of months and I've been eager to share it because I think it's a really good backpack for summer. I have it here in the Whisper Gray color block, I believe is what it's called. I have been using it mostly on the weekends for sports activities. Both of my sons just got done with soccer season and they're in the midst of basketball season, and this backpack has been a really great one to just kind of take with me on the weekends. It's comfortable, it's super lightweight, and it just has really good kind of functionality overall, especially for those long days out. Couple different ways that you can carry this one. The first way is by this grab handle here at the top, and what I love is there's two different straps here, so you can really easily kind of throw it over the crook of your arm if you need to just grab out of your car or something really quickly. When you're not using it, they fold down completely flat on the front of the bag, so like a traditional grab handle that would always be stationary at the top of the bag, this one here is great because it just makes it that much easier for you to get what you need on the inside of the backpack. On the back here, you do have padded, super comfortable backpack straps, and they are adjustable down here at the bottom. You can't remove them, you can't hide them, you can't tuck it away. This is a traditional backpack. While we're back here in the back, I did want to point out this zipper that's kind of a hidden, nice zipper pocket that would be against your body, so it kind of keeps whatever you put in here nice and secure. I like to put my cell phone in this one, or even my wallet from time to time, especially if I want to kind of keep it protected a little bit. Most of the times when I go to sporting type events, I have like leggings on or athletic type clothing, so I don't always have a pocket. And if I have a pocket, my phone's always on me, but sometimes with events, especially like this, I don't. So it's nice to have a dedicated kind of spot to keep my phone. One of the things I love about this backpack is the cinch bottle pockets here on the side, because it really makes it easy to put whatever type of bottles that I need in the side here of the bag. They get really nice and big, so it's easy to throw in like a Gatorade or a Powerade or something that I wouldn't normally carry, but I would need for like sports days back here in the back. So that's been kind of one of my favorite features about it. Also, this front pocket here is a nice just kind of catch-all for things that I need to grab for more quickly. Sometimes I'll find myself putting snacks in this one, or like a little notebook, or I've put a bunch of different things in it. It's also a great little pocket for like a first aid kit. I've been putting my Keep Going first aid kit in the front of this. I packed it a bunch of different ways, and I really like the addition of this like front pocket here. One of the things that drew me to this backpack is just the overall color. I love the color blocking. I love the different textures of this bag, and I love the overall kind of design of the web strapping and the hot kind of coral zippers. I just think it's really cool, and I love that 31 really focused on color blocking this catalog. I think it's awesome. But the top of the bag here actually kind of clips down, like you can see right here on the bag. So if you needed a little bit more room, like on the top of the bag, maybe it's cold outside, I mean, Lord knows it's not right now, but maybe come winter time, you can unsnap it here and put like a lightweight jacket or sweater in the top, but you have this much more room when you unsnap this bag. So it's a great little kind of option. As far as the inside of this bag goes, there's not a lot of bells and whistles. It's pretty basic. You have one internal zipper pocket in here, and I so wish that it was a thermal pocket. I love it when 31 puts thermal pockets inside their backpacks, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be having one come out for summer. They typically do. But besides that one internal zipper pocket, you have a nice big, just plain open cavity. And for like what I use this for, which is like a long day out, like sports type bag, it's actually perfect that it's designed that way, because I can put my thermal lunchbox in there. I can put however many water bottles I want to shove in here. If I have an extra shirt for the boys to kind of change out of their jerseys, this is just a really good kind of backpack for that. So I'm going to put the camera down and I'm going to show you how I've been packing it up. All right, like I mentioned, this bag is packed to the max. With my kids being older now, I don't carry large bags very often that are packed for them. If I'm carrying a larger bag, it has my books or my laptop or things like that for me. But this backpack is really great. I've been loving it for sports activities. I think it would be an awesome theme park bag. So much fits in here. I have it literally packed to the brim. But with everything that I have packed inside, I do want to point out before I kind of get into unpacking it, the sides are still able to clip down over here. So as you can see, they're clipped on the sides. Now, if I were to unclip them, which I want to right now, just so you can kind of see how much more room you have a ton of more space here at the top, and it's a little bit easier to kind of get in and out of the bag. So 9 times out of 10 when I'm carrying this one, I just kind of have it unsnapped on the side. It's just easier for me because when I'm carrying it, I typically pack it pretty full because it's for like an outdoors type thing. So let's get on into it. Over here on the side, this bottle pocket here, I just have my Hydro Flask water bottle. This here is a 24 ounce. And like I said earlier, you can really fit big water bottles in here. You can fit like big Powerades or whatever you need. I like this one. I believe it's linked in my Amazon shop. I will put that link below and links to anything else here in the description box or a blog post or something where you guys can find it. But this one here is really cool because typically these Hydro Flasks come with a twist off top that does not have a straw. You can actually buy these toppers for additions onto this size Hydro Flask as well as the bigger ones, and I think they're awesome because I personally like having straws on my water bottles. So that's pretty cool. I also really like the carrying kind of handle on the top of this one, and I like that it is nice and thin, so it goes in a lot of my bags. Over here on this side pocket, I just have a thing of sunscreen. I was actually able to put 2 over here on the side, but I just have 1 for now. Down here in this front zipper pocket, I just have a couple of things for me, and then I have my little crossbody or my little sling bag on the inside here. But right here in the front, I just have a pen, a small little notebook. I tend to always have like a little notebook of some sort on me, unless I have my planner or something. But I have that in there, and then just a book that I'm reading. Fits pretty perfect in here. I can pull it out on the rare occasion that the boys are practicing and I need something to entertain me. The small little zipper pocket back here on the back, I will sometimes throw my cell phone in here, which is actually over on my desk right now. And I also always have tissues or a package of wet ones, just because I'm grabbing for them all the time. Moving on into the top of this bag, I have it packed, like I said, to the max. There's a lot in here. Sitting right here on top, I actually have my Lululemon sling bag. I'm not sure, this is like the everyday bag, I believe. I just recently started using it and I get it. I get what the hype is. I feel like everybody has one. I've waited on getting one. I feel like I had one in the past and I just didn't really like it, but I love it. I definitely need to do a review just solely on this. It's a fanny pack or a sling bag. It has a zipper here on the back without spending too much time on it. It's just my little summer grab and go. It's like a bag of summer. I have my Andar Denner wallet over here attached to my keys, chapstick, lotion. It's like divided here. I have hand sanitizer and I have all this room in the middle to like throw my phone or whatever. It's like 30 bucks and it comes in a ton of different colors. I love it. I love it. Cannot say enough about it. And so I have that just right here in the front next to this pouch here. And this here is a set of travel pouches from 31 that you guys are gonna love. You're gonna love it. This is one of 2. The other one's tucked down in here, and wait till you see it because I know that we all love the clear pouches and it's really, really good. So this is a set of 2. This is the smaller of the 2. I will put the name of this print down below because I don't remember it. But inside here, I actually just have activities for the kids. Now, like I said, with my kids being older, I don't typically carry a lot of activities for them, but if we're all day out at basketball games where we're at the court and there's lots of downtime, I bring a lot of extra, and I bring a variety because there's all sorts of kids. So it's easy to kind of pull this out, and like my son can play with the younger kids or whatever. It's just like, here you go, like go do something, right? So I have these plus cubes. I have a ton of just cars and little Disney characters. I have a pack of Uno, which has been a big favorite, and then a pack of cards. So that's just kind of what's inside this pouch. I could put more at the top, but it's just kind of the perfect amount for them to play with. So that's what's inside there. Now looking down here, you can really see the rest of the room. So I had that like fanny pack and that pouch just kind of sitting here on top. I have my hat tucked down in here. It's kind of like, it's just like the never ending bag, like the Mary Poppins bag. I feel like there's so much fit in here. But so I have a hat down in there in case I want to throw that on. And then tucked down all the way down there in the corner, I have my Keep Going First Aid Kit, which deserves a little focus here because it's so good. I think I might have, I might have a discount code, I think, but I'll have to look. But this is the best first aid kit I've ever seen. As a mom, as anything, it comes in different sizes. This is the medium one. When you open it up, it comes with all of this stuff already in the kit. And then I always add things that I know that my family will need. So typically over here, like I added another little Tylenol pack. I had a travel Excedrin pack if I get a headache. I may have added these travel scissors. Forgive me, I can't remember what all I've added in here now over the years I've had this. But a little clip here, some hair things. But what comes in here definitely are all these like triple antibiotic ointments, Band-Aids for days, sting relief, like stuff in here that you like never know or never thought you would need unless you need it type stuff. More Band-Aids, ibuprofen, aspirin, and then when you flip it over here, you have just more stuff. I added these little kind of teeth pickers, and larger Band-Aids are over here. And then in here is typically where I add, like, these are soap sheets, travel scissors, more hair things. What is this? Oh, a hair tie, Blistex, all that kind of stuff. So it has any and everything you could possibly need for any type of on-the-go sports or first aid type stuff. Perfect for sports. Then kind of back here on the back, I usually have maybe a magazine for me, notebooks. Right now I just have a coloring book. I have a dot sheet. These are from the Dollar Tree. They're awesome. And then a book like hide and seek. Highlights makes the best ones of these. I always carry them for my youngest because he really, really likes these. So I have a ton of room in here to have just a variety of those type of books in the back. Then two more things. There's one zipper pocket right back there in the back, and I have our Perfectly Posh healer stick, which I always carry around in the summertime. It's just a really good like all-purpose skin stick. It's good for like blisters and rough patches of your skin, and we use it all the time. Like anytime my kids are complaining, like if they have like their skin's rubbing in a weird way, I'm like, go grab the healer stick. So we have that. This is also another old product from Perfectly Posh. It's a big old chapstick. I don't know if they make it anymore. It's been a while since I've ordered anything from them, but gosh, I love this thing. I wish they would bring it back if they didn't. So I have those two things, and then I also have back here our face sunscreen. This is by Sunbum. It's my favorite one for the kids. This is just a regular like lotion, and then this is a stick. So it smells so good. It's like coconut, banana, I don't know, but it's really easy to put on the kids, and I feel like it gets pretty good coverage. So that's what I recommend for them. I don't know, it's not designed for kids. It's not like, I think Sunbum actually does have a kids line, but with my kids being a little bit older, I'm not as worried, I guess. So yeah, so that's what I use for them. And then also in this pocket right here, I have a handful of pens and like color pencils or these like twistable crayons. So it's great because they're just kind of hanging out in that back pocket. The kids can open it, grab what they need, and there's so much more room back there also. All right, last but not least, in this bag, kind of anchored down there at the bottom, the thing I think you guys are gonna go crazy for. If I could make any bets this summer, I think that this is gonna be what is bought the most from anything that I share, just because it's that good. It's like affordable and all the things. So this is the larger of the two pouches. The one that I just showed you, this floral one down here, and then this is the big one. And I have it packed to the max with snacks. This is like eating popcorn. There's probably some wrappers in here. I love graham crackers. There's a whole entire pack of graham crackers in there. I should open it and kind of, I don't know. I mean, it's here, you can obviously see it, but look at all of the things. I have two, like this is a big thing, so Chex Mix, potato chips, there's granola bars, and like I said, that's trash. Granola bars, and like these are turkey sticks or chicken sticks. I mean, you name it, it's in here, little mini granola bars. And then on the back, I always have a gallon Ziploc baggie for trash, more wet ones. And yeah, this is like our snack bag, and it's awesome because it's like the perfect size.
It's not thermal, but that's okay. I mean, it's fine. 31 does have a really good clear clip thermal pouch. I've shared it a ton on here, but that's another one. I'll link it below because I know some of you might want a good thermal one, but this is perfect for us. It's awesome. Again, it's just like main pouch. This bag packs really well with pouches, and I feel like you can just grab out what you need, hand it to the kids, and they have exactly, I mean, they're good to go. You don't have to fish around for stuff. So this one here would also be really good for like goggles, sunscreen, I mean, all that kind of stuff at the beach. It's like the summer pouch, I tell you what. I love it, I love it, I love it. So I'll definitely have this one linked below. But that is everything I had in here. I will give you one kind of aerial shot of the bag empty, just so you can see it there. I love the contrasting zippers. I think they're super fun. So there you have it.
All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful to give you an idea of what fits inside this backpack from 31. It's one that I've really been enjoying. So I will have my link for 31 in the description box and also pinned at the top of the comments should you want to grab this one. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day.